Lately, every investor keeps on saying we are in a Goldilocks economy. But what the hell is a Goldilocks economy? Welcome back to my YouTube channel. I am the Italian investor and today I'm going to tell you what is a Goldilocks economy. A Goldilocks economy is the ideal state for the economy. There is not too much expansion, but there is not too much contraction. So there is steady economic growth, preventing from a possible recession, but not so much growth because that could push inflation higher. So at this point you should already think, okay, so maybe we are not in a Goldilocks economy, because inflation is pretty high right now. More on this later. Now let's keep on checking which are the characteristics of a Goldilocks economy. A Goldilocks economy state is ideal for investing because the positive growth of the economy generates positive earnings growth for companies, so stocks tend to perform pretty well. The Goldilocks economy is characterized by a balance between growth, employment and inflation. So the first characteristic of a Goldilocks economy is a low unemployment rate. Right now in the USA the unemployment rate should be around 5%. Then we have asset price inflation, and we can see this in stocks, in cryptos, even in bonds lately. Then we have low market interest rates, and we got this as well. Then one of the characteristics should be a low inflation, which we don't have now. Inflation is actually pretty high right now. And then another important characteristic is the steady growth of gross domestic product. So GDP should grow steadily, but not too much. But now inflation is pretty high. The point is that the Fed keeps on saying that this inflation is temporary. They believe it is going to fade in the next months or in the next year. I think they keep on saying this because the inflation we are living right now is due to the fact that we were closed, we were locked down in our houses for a long period of time, so people was able to save money and accumulate them, and now they want to buy. They want to buy anything. They want to spend all the money they saved during this period. But there is a problem. Companies cannot keep up with demand. There is too much demand and companies cannot satisfy it. This is also because there are still important lockdowns in various geographical regions. So many companies cannot really produce at maximum capacity. And this is causing inflation because demand is really high, but offer is not so high. It is lower than demand. But the Fed believes that slowly people will stop spending without thinking about it. Maybe they will start getting worried about this strong inflation and they will stop spending. But this is just a possibility. We are not sure that it's going to be like that. For now, this scenario is not realizing. For now, inflation is growing pretty high still. So, another thing the Fed could do is raise interest rates to slow down inflation. And rising interest rates break one of the key pillars of the Goldilocks economy. Even though if they would rise from here, interest rates would still be at historical lows, so interest rates could even get raised, but we could still be in a Goldilocks economy. Another thing the Fed could do is taper, so they could stop purchasing financial assets. So this is it for this video. Please let me know what you think about it. Let me know if you think we are in a Goldilocks economy or not. And don't forget to like this video and subscribe to my YouTube channel. See you next time. Bye!